everybody, welcome to my channel, Creative by Nature, Art and Life. My name is Donna. Today I have a craft supply haul that's including some Michaels items and Dollarama and more. The first few items I'm sharing are from Dollarama. I have not been finding too much new at my store, and maybe it's just because I don't need much right now, but I did find these wider lace. I actually really like these laces. They're so pretty. And these two are in two different designs. So I got those and they are, I believe, $1.25. Oh, sorry, $1.50. And then I found this 60 pack of craft paper, and it's like a cardstock, so it's really a sturdier, it's not like copy paper, it's a little bit thinner than cardstock. I've never found out until I got home it is actually damaged, but it was too late. I had already taken it apart. You can kind of see right there, there's a bit of a dent and it goes all the way through. I don't know what happened, but that's all right, I'll still use it. So there is white, as you can see here, and then there's craft paper, and then the black. And I like that it was just really basic colors because these can be used for all kinds of things. Next up are some items that I got from Your Dollar Store with More. So I found these ribbon clamps, and I have been seeing a lot of people on Instagram in the paper crafting community make some beautiful, almost like a tassel or a dangle using these. So I wanted to give that a try. And I really like the silver. I actually wish that they had like an antique gold, like vintage kind of looking. I think that would be cool too. But there's 6 pieces in this package, and it was $1.25. I found this really cool tool, and I'm so glad because I have been on the hunt for one of these, and it is a punch needle. So this is kind of like, I want to say it's similar to cross stitch or embroidery. You'll have to look it up. It's really pretty. Oh, here's a picture here. So you punch it thread through, and it's almost like looping it. So I think it's just so beautiful. I have never done that craft before, and I wanted to give it a try. So when I saw that they had this, I'm like, hello. It was $1.75 for this tool. And then I had picked up these red beads for another project and didn't end up needing them. But I don't have any red beads in my stash, so I thought, well, I'll just hang on to them. I'm sure I will be able to use them, especially with Christmas coming up. And then I found these beautiful glittered cardstock, and as you can see, it has got like an ombre effect that fades from like light to dark. And these are so beautiful. And I discovered when I opened up and checked these out originally that I ended up getting a bonus. So one thing that's really nice about these papers is that there is absolutely no fallout from the glitter. It is smooth, so smooth. So I thought that was awesome. So there's supposed to be 2 sheets of each, but when I looked through it all, I discovered that I got 3 sheets of this particular color combination. So I thought that was cool. And then I got 2 of this one, 2 of this one, 2 of the pink, 2 of the purple teal, and 2 of the green. But aren't they just such pretty colors? And they're such a fun paper. I think this is going to be really good in either my Cricut Joy or even in my Sizzix machine with die cutting. Yeah, I can't wait to play around with this. So every once in a while I do some shopping on an online store called Zulily, and they had embossing pens, and I've been wanting to try this out for a while. So I got this. I can't remember offhand how much it was. It wasn't too bad. So I got that, and then I also got myself 2 sets of watercolors. Now, I had some birthday money and I hadn't used it yet, so I'm like, you know what? I want to get myself some really good watercolors. So I have started watching some watercolor artists, and you guys, I just love the looks of watercolor. So I just wanted to get into it and try it some more. So these ones are really cool. They've got, like, these can pop out. There we go. And then even just the individual packs can pop out like that. So you can replace these, which is, I think, a really cool idea. And this is a little traveling kit, so you can mix your colors up here. And then underneath, you could store some papers. I don't have very long fingernails, so I can't pop that up right now. And then they also had some watercolor brushes, the portable type. And this brand is, oh, I believe it was put out by Uli. This set, which is the Koi watercolors, which is an excellent brand. And these ones are really, really pretty. And again, it's a traveling set. This one even has a sponge, but I like this one because it had some metallics in it. Now, I do have some metallic watercolors, which are really pretty, but again, these are better quality, so I was excited to try this set out. I'm going to play around with those and see what I can come up with. Okay, so I grabbed a few things from clearance at Michael's. First up were these iridescent gems in 3 different sizes. This was $2. And I know it wasn't much of a discount, but I still thought these ones were so pretty, and I like that there was the 3 different sizes. And then I found this big bag of just straight up white pom-poms, and these are better quality. They're a little more dense, and this package was $3. I thought this would be great to use for my gnomes, and because they're white, I could color them with some chalk or some, you know, something like that, and then color these pom-poms any way I like. Then I found these foliage stems, and there's a total of 4, and I bought these before, and they're great because you've got all this selection of foliage plus some eucalyptus, and I got this for, I believe it was 60% off. I paid $2 a stem for these, so I can use these year round, which is great. So I had a 30% off coupon, and I've been seeing lots of people using stuff like this dimensional magic for, you know, some different embellishments. So I have some already, but I thought, you know what, I'm going to get another container because I wanted to try recreating some of the things I've been seeing. And instead of using resin, you can use this. I think this is comparable to glossy accents from what I understand, but you can see how it creates like a resin look. So yeah, that was $8.39. And then I found this gorgeous paper pad. Now I am trying to be careful with all my paper pads that I buy. I've got lots that I need to use, but I fell in love with this one. I had seen a few hauls recently of different paper pads, and I like to do my shopping that way. So next time I go into Michael's, I can have a quick look. I know exactly what I'm looking for, and truth be told, they don't always look as good in person as they do on camera or the other way around. So there was several that I left behind because I was pretty disappointed when I actually saw them in person. But this one, oh my word, I absolutely love it. I'm a sucker for fall paper too. So it's called Give Thanks, and I will do a flip through for you. I'm going to probably go from back to front. And we all know there's 2 sheets of each. But see, isn't that just so beautiful? I love the colors. And they have wonderful cut aparts. And some of these could be used for year round, which is always a bonus. But I could totally see taking a paper punch and cutting this out, or even fussy cutting and making a little embellishment. Oh, seriously, I cannot believe how gorgeous this paper pad is. I like it too because it's got like different colors. It's not just your traditional fall colors. This, I think I will definitely put up this fall on my wall. You guys, I just like, this is just so beautiful and can be used in the spring, summer, fall, even the winter. I mean, why not, right? Isn't that just so beautiful? Watercolor leaves. So much fun and so many uses. Like this, I would totally use in the winter time. This has got the gold foil, as you can see there. Love that orange pumpkin. Again, this could totally be used with a paper punch, a round paper punch or fussy cut. Another beautiful one that could be used all year round. Again, I will definitely put this up on my wall. Oh, this has got to be one of my most favorite right here. So beautiful. Love that too. So, love that one. I think this is another one of my favorites right here. Oh, seriously. So that again is Give Thanks, and that one was a Hot Buy paper pad. I want to thank you all so much for being here today. Let me know what your favorite item was and anything new that you have found in your stores. I hope you're all doing well. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye.